So let's see today's lovely recipe of warm apple cake. It's super easy with very few ingredients. So now to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to crack open 3 eggs. Beat the eggs well with an electric whisk, or you can also use a hand whisk, just for about half a minute. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and again whisk the sugar and the eggs really well together. Now all I've done is just taken 1/3 cup of sugar and powdered it in my mixer jar. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And again mix the eggs, the sugar and the vanilla essence really well. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder as well as 100 grams of melted butter. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now whisk all the ingredients. And I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, a little at a time, and keep whisking the mixture well. Now I'm just going to mix everything nicely together and just set it aside for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to now cube up 2 apples that I've taken. I've just washed the apples really well. Now you can keep the peel of the apple on, or you can take the peel off and then cube it. I keep the peel on generally. And just chop it up into even sized cubes. This cake is really very delicious and really gets ready very quickly and is super easy to make. And now I'm just going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar to the cubed up apples and just mix it up really well. Here I've lined my cake tin with some butter paper and I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of butter. Now I'm going to add the apple and sugar mixture to the cake tin and just even it out or spread it out. And now I'm going to add the cake batter that we prepared over the apples. Spread it out evenly over all of the apples. And just pat it out gently so that it all gets evenly spread. And now we're just going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And now once the apple cake is completely cool, we're just going to demold it from the cake tin. Just pat it down gently. And now just take off the butter paper. And that's your apple cake all ready. I've just dusted it with a little bit of powdered sugar. And it's so soft and so fresh, and it really is super delicious. So this is a must try. I hope you like this recipe. Do leave your comments in this comment section below. Do give this video a like, do share and subscribe to my channel. And once you have subscribed, click the bell icon. That way you won't miss out any of the recipes I put up on my channel. Stay tuned to Akshata's Recipes and thank you for being here. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.